Как работи това нещо, бе, братче? Айде. Айде. Oh. Oh, it's actually recording. Well, hello there, my friends. Apparently it's working, so let's start this over, shall we? Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my vlog. This one is a special one. The first reason is that it is the first time I'm actually doing this vlog back home in Bulgaria, in my hometown, in my childhood room. The second thing is that this is not a vlog about me, this is not a vlog about me being in the Netherlands. So it's about my mom. Maybe you don't know, but this month my mom has a birthday, so she's turning 50. Basically half a century, but I say 50 because half a century sounds so much. Long story short, 2 months ago my dad contacted me on Facebook saying, you know, hey man, what's up, do you want to make your mom really happy? And I said, yeah, why not? I mean, of course, it's my mom. Anyway, so he gave the idea, let's give something to your mom that she'll never forget. And I said, well, let's make this something, a huge surprise, and let's bring her adrenaline up to the very top of her body. We both knew that our mom was dreaming to go to south of France, basically. La Rivière Française. Yay! We started planning. My mom had absolutely no idea what was going to happen up until the very end. She understood the destination at the airport. The second thing is that she had no idea that I was going to be there with them. I mean, basically all they knew is that there was gonna be a Bulgarian guide called Stefan. You know, my parents are not famous for knowing languages that well, so for the story to be really realistic and for her to believe, we had to create this fictional guide called Stefan. So stay tuned, see the first few minutes of this video, which is going to focus on me traveling to Nice and preparing the whole hidden camera thing and the whole secret trip. And then you're going to see the moment when I actually go to the airport to meet them. Enjoy! Okay, so hello beautiful people, here we are less than 12 hours from now. I'm going to fly to Nice, where I'm going to meet my parents. It will be legendary, and yeah, I'm just looking forward to her reaction. I just hope she doesn't get a heart attack or something, because yeah, so let's pack. Ready to fly tomorrow and make the biggest surprise to my mom. Ready to go to Nice and surprise the best mom ever. Welcome to the south of France, people. 19 degrees in December. Unbelievable weather, 21 degrees. The place is amazing. We're right on the main street, La Promenade des Anglais. So all we need to do is to wait for my parents to arrive. They arrive at 10 o'clock tonight. I think this will be her most memorable, exciting, unbelievable experience in her life. Okay people, so as you can see, just right behind me is the terminal and the gate where my parents will come from. It's 8:45, 20 more minutes until I surprised my mom, and she's completely shocked, and I really want her to feel something that she has never felt before. So okay people, the plane has landed 2 minutes ago. I'm hidden just behind the wall. Look at where people are going out. Look at my hand, it's actually shaking. It's crazy. It's just I actually got nervous. It's impressive. Come on, it takes such a long time, man. Guys, she's coming. She just arrived. They're wondering, they're panicking, nobody's coming, nobody's coming. I'm going in. Wait, I'm going to circle around, I'm going to circle around. Nobody knows her. Nobody knows her. And there she is. Си труден. Малко предварително. Нямаш идея, нали?
Не.
Ето това е. Дами и господа, she cried. As I told you, she cried. That was expected. Mission accomplished.
Боже, аз съм най-щастливата жена и майка на света. Монфис.
Точно така. Малко какво е подават официално, вече ти го казваме, баща ми. И тези 4 дни ще бъдат едно недобро изживяване. За твои били. За твои били. О! We're out.
За днеска толкова.
Кажи бай.
Бай.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I appreciate that. I did my best to become, you know, the coolest son of the year. And Mom, I love you. I love you. Thanks. Just I'm so sorry. This is just the beginning, okay? And as Matthew McConaughey say, he just says like, all right.
To that I say, all right. Action! And there's the chick. All right.
That's amazing. That's why I'm saying the same thing, you know, to the guys, the people around. This is the beginning. Thank you. So, as you can see, the shock was a pretty big one. I should tell you that I was really emotional as well because I saw her very happy. And okay people, so that was everything from my vlog today. As you can see, I hope you enjoyed this. Enjoy Christmas with family, have a great time. My dad is watching over there. Hi Dad. He's putting some pressure on me. Yes, see you very soon, trust me on that. Bye.